Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. So, I made the video about walking through the garden and showing you guys everything that was still alive. Well, it's cold now. It's colder, way colder than it was. We're in the low 20s. We're about to hit the low. We're about to hit 10, 12, low teens. Yeah. So let's take a look at the tomato and mustard greens. They're frosty and wilted. So I am going to take all of these. What in the world is that? What is that? What? This is probably, actually, this is from the camera. It's a camera sticker. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's time, guys. It's definitely time. Yes, it is. And we'll just take a peek at the greenhouse. I've looked already. I'm just picking you guys, sharing that it's still warm in here and things are still doing good. It's a nice 65. Oh, it's so nice in here. It's a nice 65. I do open it up to let it get a little brush in here. I probably will lower the temp to like 35, 40 so it can have that chill also. So yes, and then those peas, yeah, I'm gonna leave these, but I doubt they're gonna make it. Look at that, it's wilted. So yeah. Well, the outside garden might be done. Well, as far as that was done. Let's check the Swiss chard really quick. Swiss chard is like, I am still holding on. Okay, we'll see, but yeah, it's a wrap. Those aren't going all the way. Those are the blueberries. But that's it for the outside garden, basically, except for that Swiss chard. And that'll, when it hits those 10 and 12, I think that's it. But I just want to come on and show you guys that. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, I was not looking at the camera, but most importantly, grow. Many blessings.